Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel! I'm Dewey, your go-to water drop. We're gonna have so much fun exploring together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon!
Today, let's solve out some word problems. There are 1864 red clips, 1429 blue clips in a carton. What is the total number of clips in the carton? So, total means we have to add. So, let's start solving the problem. So, first one, how many red clips we are having? 1864. How many blue clips we are having? 1429. We have to find out the total clips. Total means we have to add. So, 4 plus 9 is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the total clips in the carton? 3293. Let's solve out another problem. Manish has rupees 2642. He has rupees 887 more than Keshav. How much money does Keshav have? In word problems, first we have to understand the question. Then only you can decide whether you have to add or subtract, whether you have to do addition or subtraction. So what is the question? How much money does Keshav have? Here they have not given Keshav amount. So you have to find out the Keshav money. But they have given the clue that Keshav is having 887 more than Manish. So more than Manish means we have to add 2642 plus 887. Then only we will get the money of Keshav. Now let's start doing. How many does Manish is having? 2642. How much should Keshav have more than Manish? That is 887. As it is more than, we have to add. What is the money of Keshav? Let's solve it. 2 plus 7, 9. 4 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 plus 2, 3. So what is the amount Keshav is having? 3529. Now compare whether the Keshav amount is more than Manish. Yes, Manish is having 2642, whereas Keshav is having 3529. Next, solve out the last question for today. Shop A has 2160 bags of tea. Shop B has 285 bags more than Shop A. Shop C has 275 bags less than Shop A. Altogether, how many packets of tea do these shops have? So, I have written the question, I have split the question and written like this so that we can solve the problem easily. As I said, for word problems, you have to understand the question first, then only you can solve the problems easily. So first, what is the shop A is having? How many bags of tea does shop A is having? 2160. Next, what they have given for shop B? 285 bags more than shop A. Shop A means how many bags of tea we are having? 2160. As they have mentioned more than, it is understood we have to do addition, that is plus 2160. This is the bags of tea shop A is having. Next, for shop C, what they have given? 275 less than shop A. So less than means we have to subtract. I have written the shop A bags of tea. Now, what is the question they have asked? We have to find out the altogether how many packets of tea do these shops having, means we have to add all together. So for shop A they have given. For shop B we have to find out. 2160 plus 285. 5, 6 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Retain the 2. So, how much of bags of tea does shop B is having? 2445. Now, next let's solve it for shop C. 2160 minus 275. So, let's do subtraction. 10 minus 5, 5, 15 minus 7, 8, 10 minus 2, 8, 1. So, how much does shop C is having? 1885. Now, what is the final question they've asked? We have to find out altogether how many packets of tea does these shops are having. Means we have to add all these numbers. So, the next step is shop A, how much? 2160. Shop B, 2445. Shop C, 1885. Let's add all together. 5 plus 5, 10. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So, what is the final answer? 6490. So, how much bags of tea does all these shops have? 6490.
Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more fun.